Okay.
Do you think men are important? Like for what?
Put it down. Oh, my finger! You got breakfast!
It hurts me to see how corrupted you are.
My name is Phil, and I like to dress as a baby.
That's not just the way they are. Men are so much more than that. Remember, it's garbage cans.
Life's too short to exercise, and you can be honest. There are so many better things to do than exercise.
Are you tired of being distracted by girls? Are you sick of wasting your time on meaningless relationships? Well, it's time to wake up and realize that girls are nothing but a hindrance to your goals. You need to focus on what really matters: your goals, your dreams, your ambitions. Girls will only hold you back and keep you from achieving success. Don't let girls distract you from what's important. Don't waste your time and energy on them. You need to be ruthless in your pursuit of success. Cut them out of your life. Block their numbers. Delete them from your social media. Whatever it takes to stay focused on your goals. Because at the end of the day, the only thing that matters is your success. Don't let anyone, especially girls, stand in your way. Remember, stay focused and stay hungry. Don't let anything or anyone distract you from achieving greatness.